If you want to achieve victory in courts, there are things that you can do to achieve that victory. If you have somebody that is standing against you in courts and you really want to win that person in court, you really need to do this for you to win that person. In this video, I will share with you everything that you need to know and how you can do it. Okay. Welcome back. My name is Gideon Aisha Spirituality here in this channel. If you're new here, please make sure you subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like my teaching. Okay. In this video, I want to share with you something that you can do before you appear in a court for you to achieve victory. If you have court case and you want to win that court case, you want to achieve victory from that case, then you need to watch the video to the end, because in this video, I will share with you in details everything that you need to do for you to achieve that victory. Okay, if you have any court case, you need to watch the video to the end, because you're going to learn how to get that victory that they are looking for. Okay, and for you to get this victory, there are items that you need to get ready for you to, use to achieve this victory that we are talking about in this video. Okay, now you are going to be needing this leaf. Okay, this is called Ogirisi leaf in Igbo language. The English name is fertility leaf. Okay, the English name is fertility leaf. You need to get this leaf. Get the leaf. Okay, up to seven of it. Okay, and you need to get a white piece of paper. Okay, and you need to get a black thread. Okay, these are the three items that you need to have for you to carry out this spiritual assignment. Okay, now this is how you are going to be doing it. A day before the court day. Okay, let's say you have your court day. That's the day you'll be going to the court. It's on Saturday. Then you need to start doing this on Friday. Okay, you need to start doing this on Friday. Now you are going to write down the name of that person that is challenging you in court. Okay, you're going to write down the name of the person that is challenging you in court. If you have the name of the lawyer that is defending that person, you can write it down. But if you don't have the name of the lawyer that is defending that person, just write the name of the person down on this white paper. Write it in several places. Okay, write it in several places. Now, when you write it in several places, you are going to pluck out this Ogirisi leaf. Pluck out the 7 leaves from it. Okay, pluck out 7 leaves from it. Let me show you an example. Okay, when you pluck out the 7 leaves, this is 1 leaf. I'm using it as an example. When you pluck out 7 leaves from it, okay, you are going to put it at the middle of that leaf together with the name that you have written on the white piece of paper. Okay, now you are going to fold it. Okay, but as you are folding it, you are going to be calling that name that you have written on that white piece of paper. Okay, as you are calling it, you say that I will have win. I will have victory over this case. Okay, that's what you'll be saying as you're folding that white paper with that Ogirisi leaf that is inside. The Ogirisi leaf will be up to 7, not 1. I'm just using 1 as an example, but it will be up to 7. Okay, like you'll wrap it up together. Then take that black thread and tie up that white piece of paper. Okay, tie it up. Okay, tie it up like this. Now you are going to go to your house. If you're not in your house, but if you're in your house, you just look for something that is heavy. Just look for something that is heavy and drop on top of this white piece of paper. Okay, leave it there until the next day, after you must have gone to your court, after you must have gone to the court, and after everything, you come back home. That's when you will remove that heavy thing that you used to drop on top of this white paper. Okay, you are not going to remove it until after the court sitting. That's what I mean. You are not going to remove this paper from whatever heavy item that you will use to drop on top of it. Okay, don't leave the paper like that. You are going to get something that is very heavy to drop on top of that white piece of paper. Okay, after the court sitting, then you can remove it and burn it. Okay, you can remove it and burn it. once you do this, once that heavy item is on top of that white piece of paper, that's your opponent, that person that is challenging you in court, will never have rule over you, will never have victory over you. Okay? Will never have victory over you. Once that his name or her name is inside that white paper, and you have used that heavy item to drop on top of it and go to the court sitting, that person will never have victory over you. You will have victory in that court sitting. Okay? So this is simple recipe. If you want to achieve victory in the courts, you need to do this. Okay? Do it on Friday. If you have court sitting on Saturday, do it on Friday and leave it till Saturday evening or Sunday morning. Okay? Before you can remove it. Okay? So that is what you can do to achieve victory with Ogirisi leaf and white pepper. Okay? So make sure you do this. If you have any question that you want to ask, if you are confused, do ask question under the comment section. Okay? So that I will reply you. Okay? And if you have not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe so that I'll be sharing more tips in this channel. Okay? So see you guys in my next video. Bye.